Alright, so I put new wires in it. What I mean by that is I found an old harness and I put it all together. I don't know if it's gonna run, and I don't know if I have it wired up right, but I also don't know if I have a key that I can jam in it, but well, it's not the right key, but I would say we got a problem here somewhere. Could be power, could be ground. There's only one way to tell that, so let's cross over the solenoid there. See if we got power. Nope. Not a bit. Yeah, it's pretty cheap. Now, charging system. I don't think it works, but we're gonna try and hook it up.